Okay, I live in South Dakota and we're in the beginning of our blizzard. Huge winds. Probably hear, woo! Probably hear the wind. See the snow starting. And hear the winter wind howling. I'm out here in shorts, flip-flops, and a t-shirt. I'm not very smart. But anyway, that's South Dakota for you. I thought I'd show you the beginning of a blizzard. We have 50, 60 mile an hour winds right now. And it's gusting, and the snow right now is calm, but I'm in a, maybe you can see, whoa, there goes the wind, a little burst, gust. So anyway, I thought you'd enjoy that, and hopefully you're warm where you are. Have a good day.